my eyes, my nose, my mouth. You are all mine. You are the greatest writer this country has, by far. Your characters are so alive. There is an intensity and a simplicity in your writing, and yet it's funny and fresh. Everyone reads you. Everyone knows your name. Who else has that? You are a writer and everyone knows your name. Who could not love it? Love you for it? You think I'm lying? No, look at me. Look at me in my eyes. Am I lying? Have I ever lied to you? I understand you. I am the only one who tells you the truth. I know what I am talking about, and I tell you the truth, that you are extraordinary. You won't leave me. You won't abandon me. You need me.
I'll do as you will. I've never had any will of my own.
Oh, you do, you do.
I don't know how you could find that attractive. I'll leave with you.
No, stay a little longer if you want.
No.
If you like.
No, I'll leave with you.